We're at 1873 Nature's Way. This is in Gulf Breeze, just off Highway 98 in Midway. We're entering through the front door here. We've come into our foyer. Directly to our left, we have bedroom number 1. It has French doors to the entry, so it could be an office or a nursery or a playroom. We have this large window looking to the front yard and a good sized closet as well. Turning back around, we'll head further into the home. There's laminate flooring throughout the home, so it makes for great cleaning. Here is our formal dining area. We have LED chandelier here and then open to our kitchen and our living space. Before we go to the living room, we'll take you to the kitchen. We have granite counters, stainless steel appliances. Then we have a pantry around our right corner here. And we also have this breakfast nook with a table and bench built in. Here is that kitchen from a different view now. Got lots of good cabinet space here. Just off our kitchen, we have our laundry room and our garage entrance. Washer dryer units are included for tenant use. So here is that laundry room. And then through there we have our garage. Continuing on, we'll go through the living room and to the bedrooms. So in the living room, we have the vaulted ceilings, and then we have our covered patio on the back side of the home. This is a split floor plan, so we're gonna go to the right to the master first. So in here we have tray ceilings, we have brand new remote controlled chandelier, and then we also have a walk-in closet and attached ensuite as well. So here is that ensuite and walk-in closet. In the ensuite, we have a double sink vanity, a linen closet, a garden tub over here. And then we do have some extra space if you wanted to set up a makeup vanity. Heading back out now. Here is that master suite again. So the master is on the back side of the home. Now we're gonna go back through the living area. We'll go straight across to our 2 other bedrooms and bathroom. Directly in front of us, we have the hall bathroom. So we have nice good sized vanity, tub shower combo. Same laminate flooring is running throughout the majority of the home. And then to our left, we have bedroom number 3. So this is in the middle on the left side of the home. Continuing on, we're gonna pass another linen closet, and then here is bedroom number 4. So this is on the back side of the home with views into the backyard. We have a good sized closet in each bedroom. Heading back out now, we'll take you to the backyard. So we're back in the living area here. We'll go out our door. Backyard is enclosed and lawn care is included, so that's a great amenity for tenants as well. So we have this covered patio space, and then we have our open area. We do have a small partition fence cutting off the backyard because it is a large yard. So the property line actually goes much further back than this fence. And then we'll turn you around and show you the back of the home. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 1873 Nature's Way, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.